Hi everyone, I'm back. So for today's video, I wanna share with you kung paano mag-transfer ng pera from WeChat to WeChat dito sa Hong Kong. Okay? So ang gagawin natin, punta lang tayo sa WeChat apps natin. Okay? So account natin we have here. So click mo yan. And then, kung sino sa kanila, sa contacts mo ang tatransferan mo ng pera mo, yan i-click mo. Okay? So, magta-transfer ako ng pera sa kaibigan ko, Adele. Okay? Kung gusto ko naman mag-transfer ng pera kay Ma'am Ellie, ayan, i-click mo lang. Sorry sa mga kanwa namin. But where is my prince? I am the princess. Wala daw siya. So, ayan. I-click mo lang yung plus sign. Okay? Ayan. Click mo lang ang plus sign and then transfer. So, magta-transfer tayo ng pera kay Ma'am Ellie, which is $2. Okay? Click mo lang $2 and that's it. So, pero hindi na tayo magpadala sa kanya kasi marami siyang pera. Mag-send tayo kay adelle23 dahil sa adelle23 walang pera. Okay? Ayan. Ito. Bakit ayaw mo? Wait. So, yan. So, i-click mo ng plus sign kung mag-transfer ka ng pera from WeChat to WeChat. Okay? Make sure active yung WeChat niya. Ayan. And then, may mga choices dyan. Voice call, transfer, red packet, voice input, at location. So, click natin ang transfer habang nag-games pang mga kiddos dito. Okay? Magta-transfer tayo ng pera kay adelle23. So, $1 lang. Okay? So, yan lang. And then, click transfer. And you can also add note. Pero hindi ko na siya nilagyan. Okay? And then, pay now. So, ipapay na natin. So, ilagay ko ang payment password ko, which is kanina. Okay? So, yun. I-hide ko muna kasi ako lang dapat makakaalam yan. So, yan na. Okay? Payment successful. Okay? Tingnan natin kung successful ba talaga na nag-transfer tayo kay adelle23. Okay? Just click done. And then, automatically, mag-transfer yan doon kay Adele. Okay? I-click nyo lang ito. Confirm. And then, that's it. So, back na tayo, guys. Ayan na. Ayan, dahil nag-transfer tayo ng pera kay Adele, tingnan natin kung na-transfer ba ang pera natin ng $1 from WeChat to WeChat. Okay. Ayan, i-click natin ang WeChat. And then yan, from Adelle Digila, na-transfer ka ng pera kay adelle23. So, ang $1 na na-transfer natin kay adelle23, ito na siya. Click lang natin yan, transfer to you. And then, confirm receipt, which is sent by Adelle Digila to adelle23. So, now, here we go. Confirm receipt mo lang siya. Okay? And then, got it. Ayan. So, accepted. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like, comments, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for you to get notified. Starter na ako. So thank you so much, guys. God bless everyone.